Welcome to the heart of poultry farming, where safety and health are paramount. These poultry barns are the backbone of the industry, bustling with life and activity, a testament to the vitality of this agricultural sector. But lurking in the shadows are uninvited guests, rodents. Their presence not only disrupts but can also bring disease. An outbreak can halt production, endangering both the poultry and your investment. Diseases like Salmonella, Listeria, and Campylobacter can wreak havoc, putting everything at risk. But there's a solution: RodenBox, an innovation that's not only patent pending but also revolutionizes the way we monitor pests. It's a proactive approach to monitoring your investment. With easy setup and a user-friendly interface, RodenBox not only keeps an eye on your poultry safety 24/7 but also effortlessly keeps track of bait station inspections, automatically generating detailed reports. Take control of your poultry farm's safety. Choose RodenBox because a healthy farm is a thriving investment.